Today we will be covering everything you need to know about the Mūl's Rejuvenating Skin Firming Face Mask. I mean, it includes the key ingredients, when can you see visible results, how to apply this mask, and even what skincare to use post this. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Ashneet Kaur and I am a professional makeup artist. My channel is all about beauty and skincare. If that is something that you're interested in, then don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get into the video. This is a non-sponsored video and I bought this from my own money. Let me just quickly tell you, Mūl was initially a clothing brand and now they've started their skincare brand called Mūl Secrets. They've launched very few products, but they've just started out. This mask has a very lightweight gel-like consistency. It is easy to spread. It gives you a cooling and a non-greasy feel when you apply it. It even gives you like a very cooling and a soothing sensation, and it makes your skin feel so nourished after using it. This mask has got a boost of powerful ingredients which help nourish the skin elasticity and collagen. Rosehip, which is rich in antioxidants, it helps in reducing fine lines and helps brighten the skin as well. Muletti helps reduce pigmentation. Together, these ingredients work to tighten, firm, and regenerate your skin. In terms of immediate effect, you will definitely notice that your skin has become plump, smoother. You will notice like a cooling sensation on your face. You will notice that your skin has become firmer. And in terms of like long-term effects, it will help increase your collagen levels. It will even help tighten your skin and it will help for your fine lines as well. But then again, you have to be consistent with it. This formulation can be used by all skin types, be it dry skin, oily skin, combination skin. In fact, even sensitive skin people can use it since it has such good Ayurvedic properties as well in it. And the fact that I've given it to my sister who has sensitive skin and she has been absolutely loving the formula. This mask can be used 1 to 2 times in a week. It does have that gentle exfoliation factor which helps remove your dead skin cells. Also, it has firming properties which can help improve your skin's elasticity. Now, having said that, you have to be consistent while using it. This mask is a non-comedogenic mask, which means that it will not clog your pores as well. It is a very lightweight, gel-based mask. It makes sure that your skin can breathe underneath it or even after you remove it. Also, that it's made in such a way that I don't think, it would react to anyone's acne-prone skin. So I feel it might be safe for them also to use. So you ask, is this really suitable for aging skin? Yes, it is suitable for aging skin because I feel like it contains peptides, which is a really good ingredient to stimulate collagen, and it also helps in like reducing appearance of fine line, which is a really good ingredient to have. It even contains rosehip and muletti, which help in brighten the skin and reduce pigmentation. So yes, it is very much suitable for aging skin as well. Coming to the price point, it is priced at 899 rupees and you get 100 ml of product, which I feel is like a decent amount of price considering the fact that it will go on for a longer time, and also that the convenience that you get, that you can go on with your regular skincare routine that you use, be it your moisturizers, be it your serums, you can go ahead and use all of that. But just make sure that you do not use any exfoliating products after using this mask. But apart from that, I feel you're free to do whatever skincare routine you are going on with and whatever's working for you. Alright you guys, we reached the end of this video, but before you go, let me just quickly tell you, in case you are torn between which one to buy, either the Rejuvenating Face Mask or the Mūl Face Mask, which gives you firming skin, then don't worry, I've got you covered. I have made a detailed review on the Rejuvenating Face Mask as well, which I will leave the link right here. Also, let me just quickly tell you, it definitely depends upon the skin concern that you are trying to target. So whatever your skin concern is, I feel like you should go for that kind of product. Alright, which will help your skin to, look glowy and will give you that healthy benefits to your skin. Having said that, I'm going to sign off, but make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and I'll see you in my next one.